gotta hurry up and make this quick before they get back in here. I'm having a mukbang with myself. Okay, so we just left Little Caesars, and this pepperoni, I think we got all the pepperoni, and I don't even care. I'm so hungry right now, and they want to stop by GameStop right now, so I'm okay. And Kanari want to jump out, and he's, are you going in? And Kate like, yeah, me too. And you three like, oh yeah, me too. We already coming here for Bonnie, cause her godmama sent her some money for her to get her a game for the tablet and stuff like that. And ooh, it is hot, y'all, hot. Look at that cheese. Oh my goodness, so good. Oh my goodness, so good. I don't know what to do. It's so messy and hot right now. Can y'all see me? Let me turn this like this. So I'm gonna tell y'all, this is a pepperoni, cheesy, hot, cheesy, ooh, pizza. What was I saying? Now, the moment you could sneak food and you know nobody was aware that you eating such good stuff. But of course they finna eat it too. Wait, look. It's still good. Still good. Husband was like, oh, sorry, but I made him turn off track. It just came across my mind, really go ahead, Bonnie, keep asking for a game. Let's do it now. And I know you're hungry and ready to get back to the house, but it's gonna be real quick. And you should have known all the kids wanted to come in the store because it's GameStop. And I'm like, okay, yeah, you're right. Nah, yeah, And guess what? Pop this box open. Don't leave no food in the car. Don't leave no food in the car. Matter of fact, you're supposed to leave the food in the car so you can, like, real deal, because hey, you ain't gonna be resting, stressing, and worrying about nothing. Oh my God, it is something flying by my I roll window up. It's gonna fly in here. I'm gonna fly in here. You know what? It's not it. That's not even. I'm pissed off now. I'm be pissed the fuck off. Because now I'm gonna be having to fight to win. And that's not it. I'm gonna fight to win. Well, y'all, until you hit the ball, you fight and win. Hold up. Alright, hurry up. Eat me a quick slice. Or they come back in here. Because then you know they're gonna want to eat in the car. No, you can't eat in the car. Have all their little best friends run around in the car. Nope. It gotta be their best friends, because why y'all leave so much junk? Oh, y'all don't never throw away behind each other. But y'all, this piece is good. Oh, no crust. Oh, y'all hear that? The crust, the cheese. I'm like, Caden almost seen me. He looked up at his daddy. I thought he was looking at me. He almost seen me, y'all. I'm fine. Okay, I think they're coming. I think they're coming, y'all. Oh shoot, come on. I wasn't able to finish it all. Oh no, he went back in there. He went back in there, y'all. I got time. I'm on my second slice. One second slice. Yup. I'm finna eat the whole pizza from them. They don't even know. They gonna come back and be like, what the freak is a whole pizza on? I'm out here. Okay, I'm back, and as y'all can see, I can only ate that much. I'm going. Yeah, they gonna know. They don't know. Oh, this is a long time. This is a long time. Let me fish out a little bit better. Oh shit, here I'm bunny. Here I'm bunny.
I need my tennis stretch.
Okay. Out here. Alright. She didn't pay no attention, y'all. She didn't pay no attention. Okay, I'm here to get back to it. What about them? It's getting dark. Okay, gotta get in bed on time. We gonna be to school on time tomorrow. Oh my God. He got soda. And they gave him a cup. It's kind of cold. It's kind of cold. I'm having a full mukbang feel right here. I know they gave napkins and socks. I'm going for y'all. I can't make it up. I can't. I knew I lied. It's about I'll go eat the whole pizza. I didn't say that, then I said a lot of things. Well, I'm not putting this down. So, soda. Oh my God, I can't rinse it. Alright, never mind. I don't know what's up been with the soap, but I don't know what's been up with this cup. So I'm gonna just politely stick that back in there. And wait till I get to this house. Oh, soda gonna be shooken up, y'all. Soda gonna be shooken up. But what I'm finna say was, oh yeah, the main part is taken care of. The hunger has settled. I am no longer hungry. I'm able to get back scrolling at my phone. Let me stop. Gotta get back to all this other stuff, getting this house in order, and scrolling in my phone. But anyways, guys, thank you for viewing. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and everyone like, comment, and I'll be back for another video. Yes, Bonnie got her new game. Back to the house. Bonnie got what the game, Bonnie?
LOL school water skate.
Oh, okay. LOL roller skate. Oh my goodness. Kate and you three. Y'all need to get in here because they the main two. Ugly foot. Oh, that's you? You already made yourself?
Yeah.
Look at her, y'all. That's my upcoming content creator. Y'all go subscribe at Bonnie JK23. Come on, y'all. Close the door. Get the keys out the door. Kaden and you three, get the keys out the door.
There was no cup in there.
Oh, shout out to her godmom Janelle, you guys. Her godmom Janelle.
Come look, guys.
That's her panda.
Nowhere in there. Right here.
Okay, look, you guys.
Mom, I know where the gold one is.
That was the gold one?
In the big queen.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna hang this up in her bedroom, guys. It's still hanging up from her and Sky birthday party. Y'all got what?
Daisy.
Okay, so this is a little sneak peek from Bonnie game, but she gonna have that coming on y'all channel. Y'all didn't get y'all pizzas. Come on, y'all. Y'all need to eat y'all pizza. Kanari, look at him. He ready to eat the pizza. Can't go over there and get plates out the cabinet. Well, matter of fact, y'all can hold it. Come on. Everybody grab a pizza. Put that down, Bonnie, for a second. It's time to get y'all pizza so y'all can eat. Because the room, y'all got to go back through y'all rooms, like I was just saying. Making sure y'all are real deal, whatchamacallit.
Wait, who would eat the pizza?
Like, so.
Who ate some of the pizza?
There you playing that time.
I'm dead serious. Somebody already ate one.
Dad?
Which one of y'all ate the pizza for real?
Not me.
But, yeah.
You ate the pizza for real?
That. I don't know who. Katie over here. You.
You ate one of the pizzas?
She eat pizza.
Who eat the pizza for real, though?
No, I'm dead serious. Who ate the pizza? No, I'm dead
He
serious.
ate the claw and eat some.
I'm gonna cut the camera off real quick because I'm
Like, hold on.
recording.
Is you serious though? Like, I don't know what y'all doing. She
Mom
trying to do a prank.
eat the
A weak
pizza.
ass prank. A weak prank. She don't
No,
know
I
that.
don't.
She trying to do a prank. It's weak.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'll call y'all.
It's weak.
I couldn't even hold my face
My mom was
expression.
telling- I'm like, hold on, she got the phone. She ready. As soon as we got it out, something ain't right.
Yeah, I ate the pizza.
Think about it.
She ate the pizza. Soon as we got in there.
I thought Katie was gonna see me too.
Nah.
I said, oh, they gonna see
Yeah,
me.
nah, see, I knew it. Soon as we went in there, you ate the cheese pizza real quick. And then you closed the
I
box.
want pepperoni though. I would eat pepperoni. I think all of them pepperoni.
I knew it, Dad.
If I would have had my face expression more.
Wasn't nothing. I put it together.
Nah.
I seen the camera,
If I
and
would have
I'm like,
kept
hold
on,
on, nah.
if I would have got mad though,
Yeah, you would probably have to get more mad.
if I would have got
You
mad,
gotta get more into it. You gotta
that's
get
what
more.
it is. Cause y'all was really
Especially
trying.
you, I know you. So you snap about a lot of shit. So you supposed to be like,
I suck. I suck, you guys. That was horrible. But that was a good, smooth one. How I lined it up.
Yeah.
But when it ended, it was like I suck.
I know
Yeah, you let me put too
It's
much thought
horrible.
into my big head ass. You
that
can't
shit
give me
didn't
that.
when we was in GameStop, Dad.
Yeah, she can't give me that no time. No.
Guess what? They have bun.
What is that?
It's a girl.
Oh,
The
okay.
LOL. I named Bun.
Oh, that's for you. Like
I
you.
almost named my name.
Yeah, like for you. Okay. All right. Yep, that's the end of this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.